Hello and welcome to the Handmade Craft House. We are a family of 6 who are living and making crafts in Dumfries and Galloway. Usually our workshop is spread out throughout the whole of our house, as between us we make and create quite a few different bespoke items for your household. But we thought we'd show you a tour of our woodworking workshop with a few of our other crafts and art displayed within it. Here we have a stack of locally grown sycamore and beech. The sycamore is from Cunlongan Castle, which is in our neighbouring village, and the beech is from Carlisle Cathedral, all waiting to be turned into lovely items. Gail and I like to create knitted items using beautiful wool, natural colours, local wool, to create blankets, throws, cushions. We also create a range of soap, handmade soap using the traditional cold pressed technique, all natural ingredients, and wherever possible we like to create things using our homegrown calendulas, poppy seeds, nettles, including these sorts of things to create colour, texture. This year has seen the addition of Woodland Jewellery, which is an exciting and lovely range of jewellery creating using little pieces or offcuts of wood that we just can't bear to throw away, too nice to waste. A lovely light piece of jewellery with hemp cord and silver findings. Mike and Gail also create journals. These items are hand stitched together using artist grade paper. So here we have watercolours and other various techniques being used, pencil, ink, pen and ink, from particularly nice pieces of wood. We like to save the most beautiful parts for special projects, and this is definitely one of them. A labour of love, an example of our furniture.
All these timbers are native, locally grown. There's no imported timbers. The only imported timbers I use would be little offcuts like this, which come from an old mahogany teak wardrobe or bed that's been cast out, and I take some of that, and then with that I would make some of these wedges and stitching. That's the only, rather than waste it and burn it, it's such beautiful wood, we use it for that. But predominantly we use locally grown. These timbers have either had to come down, have been blown down by the wind, or have been removed because they're a danger from different houses, different places. The Cunlongan Castle sycamore tree had blown down in one of the storms. I have here sycamore, elm, oak, and in the back here we've got some really nice marked sycamore, spalted beech, cherry. All makes wonderful, beautiful either furniture or even a cherry scoop, which is in process and it's coming. It's all used. We waste as little as possible. The shavings on the floor will go for firelighters in our home. Any waste wood, and then we have a bucket of it there, will end up on the fire, but nothing's wasted.
Mike also uses lengths of this wood to frame his own photography. So as you can see, his frames are all bespoke and unique. Some have got the bark left on, individual in their own right. These enhance the picture as they are carefully chosen to reflect the artwork as well and bring out the best. My mum Gail is an artist. She works with many mediums. One of her favourites over the years is shown here. This is glass painted. It's a mixed media really. There's acrylic, there's glass, there's all sorts in there to give you a 3D texture. No matter how often you look at this, you can always see more. So we will be showing a range of these within our Spring Fling open studio, as well as the woodworking. It's Tim creating a lovely range of spoons. He also likes to finish some of his spoons with pyrography, so drawing on the spoons, artwork. I hope this has given you a small taster of what to expect from us at the Spring Fling. So thank you for watching and hope to see you in May.